guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time. If today is the first time of coming across this YouTube channel, you are highly welcome to test. If you have not subscribed, please do me a favor by subscribing and turn on the bell notification for you to be notified anytime I drop the latest updates like this. And if you don't see subscribe today, come back and watch my videos. Now God could bless you.